Hello everyone. So quickly let's look at this revision guide. The whole of chapter 1 is being considered here. So question 1, you have this and you are asked to write the whole of this number in standard form. So very easy, you have 2576. Question number 2. Which represents the number 4060. 4060. Option D. Question 3. What is the digit place of the number 5 in 74,582? So the digit 5 is in the hundreds place. Okay. Question 4. The number 179 is more than the number 198. 179198. 7 and 9, you can say that 7 is less than 9, not more than 9. Therefore, this statement is false. It's not true. Question 5. Which number is greater than 3,491? So all I need to look at is check all the options. If you look at option D, we have 3,499. The last digit is 9 here, the last digit is 1 here, and 9 is more than 1. So this is greater, option D. Question 6. Which are true? Select two answers. So let's see which one is true. Option A, 8087 equals 8087. This is true. The two numbers are equal. 6078 is less than 6087. Of course, that is true because 78, 87, 6000. You see that the number 7 is less than the number 8. So this is also true. Question 7. Which set of numbers is written from least, that is from the smallest to greatest? So let's observe all the numbers from smallest to greatest. Option A, 335, 314. We have 335, 314, and 334. So from smallest, so let's see which number is the smallest here. They all have 3 as start, yes. We can use that to judge. The next, we have 3 here, we have 1, and we have 3. So of course, this is the smallest, the one with 1, number 1. Next, we have 3 and 3. We can use that to judge. Check the last digit 5 and 4. Between 4 and 5, 4 is the smallest. So this is number 2 and this is number 3. From least to greatest, so we have number 1, 314, number 2, 334, and 335. Option B. Number 8. The school with the greatest number of students has a population of. So observe all the schools. The one with the greatest number, that is highest number, is 3002. Also remember, if the question says least, that is the smallest. For the smallest, it is 2500. Be careful of what you have there. Question 9. So last year, Abdullah won 220,000 cash prize. This year, Ahmed won 229,000 cash prize. If next year, Ahmad is expected to win a cash prize that is more than that of Abdullah, more than this, but less than Ahmad's and less than this. So it's going to be between these two numbers. Which one of these could be Ahmad's cash prize? So look for a number that falls in between these two numbers, and that's going to be, if you observe well, it's going to be 225. 225,000 is the number that is more than this but less than this. Question 10. Juma spent 273 while on vacation. About how much is that if rounded to the nearest 10? So what you are interested in is nearest 10. So check the number in the tens place, and that is 7. So I'll check the number next to the right of it. The number is less than 5. Therefore, you round down by not doing anything to 7. So the number remains 2. The 7 remains the same and the last digit becomes 0. So the answer is 270. Question 11. To dash a number, you change its value to a number that is easier to work with. That is when you want to round a number. Whenever you want to round a number, you have to change its value by estimating it to a number that is easier to work with. Question number 12. Ali rounded the number 419 to 420. He has just rounded to the nearest. Let's see, before it's 419, now it's 420. So what you need to check is which number changed. It is this number in the tens place that changed from 1 to 2. So it has been rounded to the nearest tens. Question 13 says, round to the nearest hundred. So check the hundredth digit, which is 1. Check the next dot to its right. The number is 8. 8 is more than 5. Any number that falls, if it is 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, all you need to do is to round up by adding 1. So I add 1 to this cycled number. So 1 plus 1 becomes 2. All other numbers turns to 0. So the answer is 200. Next, let's look at the last question, 14. Mrs. Fatima bought a school bag that cost 999 for her daughter. To the nearest hundred, she spent. To the nearest hundred, the same thing. Identify the digits in the hundreds place, which is 9. Check the next dot. The number is 9. Remember, it's more than 5. Therefore, you need to add 1 by rounding up. So 9 plus 1 is 10. The remaining two numbers turns to 0. So the correct answer for this is 1000. All I want you to do is pause the video for each of these questions to recheck and understand how we arrive at the answer. See you and all the best. Bye bye.